Hello friends, welcome to Bankers platform. So friends, today we have come again with a new video and this video will be helpful in bank promotion exam. So today we will discuss the questions which are related to NPA management provisioning and this topic is very important because NPA management is a very important part of a bank. So let's start. So we will be discussing friends 19 questions in this session. Okay, so let's start with the first question. First question is, as per the RBI guidelines on provisioning norms, the collaterals like immovable properties charged in favor of bank should get values once in 3 year, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years. So friends, we have to tell this valuation regarding the valuation of the property, that the valuation should be done once in how many years. So let's see what is the correct answer. So correct answer is first, that is 3 years. So once in a 3 years the valuation should be done. Let's see next question. What is the percentage of general provisioning for substandard asset? So what will be the provisioning for substandard assets? Our options are 10%, 15%, 20%, 100%. So let's see what is the right answer. Correct answer is second, that is 15% for substandard asset. Let's see next question. Question number 3. Which of the following is inaccurate with respect to the provisioning on standard assets? First, provisioning on standard assets should not be considered for arriving at net NPA. Provisioning on standard assets should be considered for arriving at net NPA. So our options are only one, only two, only one, and both one and two, neither one nor two. So let's see what is the right answer, and the right answer will be first. That is, provisioning on standard assets should not be considered for arriving at net NPA. Okay, so let's see next question. Question number 4. Which of the following statement is accurate with respect to floating provisioning provisions as per the existing prudential guideline in respect of NPAs or for making regulatory provisions for standard assets? First, floating provisions should not be used for making specific provisions. The floating provisions, when required, can be used for making specific provision. Our options are only one, only two, both one and two, neither one nor two. So let's see what is the right answer, and the correct answer is first, that is, the floating provisions should not be used for making specific provisions. So let's see question number 5. Which of the following are the guiding factors for choosing a compromise scheme? Our options are provision held in the account, balance outstanding in the account as on date of NPA, market value of securities, and time taken for realizing it. Fourth, all of the above. So let's see what is the right answer, and the correct answer is fourth. So friends, compromise scheme, like it is a OTS, one time settlement, or giving some discount to the borrower. So when these all 1 2 3 factors are there, that becomes the guiding factor for choosing a compromise scheme. Let's see next question. Question number 6. An account where the bank grants concession which it would not otherwise consider is best known as written off account, fraudulent account, restructured account, disputed account. So let's see what is the right answer, and the correct answer is third, that is restructured accounts. Question number 7. Restructuring of advances could take place in which of the following stages? Before commencement of commercial production or operation, after commencement of commercial production or operation, but before the asset has been classified as substandard, after commencement of commercial production or operation, and the asset has been classified as substandard or doubtful. Our options are only one, only two, only three, and the fourth is all of the above. So let's see what is the right answer. Correct answer is fourth, that is all of the above. In all these three cases, the restructuring can take place. Let's see next question. Question number 8. Which of the following is inaccurate with respect to asset classification norms for restructuring? So you have to tell which is inaccurate. First, the asset classified as standard asset should be immediately reclassified as loss asset upon restructuring. Second, the non-performing asset upon restructuring would continue to have the same asset classification as prior to restructuring. Third, standard accounts classified as NPA and NPA account retained in the same category on restructuring by the bank should be upgraded only when all the outstanding loan or facilities in the account perform satisfactory during the specified period. Fourth, the asset classification of the restructured account would be governed as per the applicable prudential norms with reference to the pre-restructuring पेमेंट शेड्यूल. तो फ्रेंड्स आपको बताना है कि इनमें से कौन सा पॉइंट इनएक्यूरेट है. ओके, so the correct answer for this question will be first. The asset classified as standard asset should be immediately reclassified as loss asset. So after restructuring it is not the case. Let's see next question, question number 9. The total provisions required against an account, normal provision plus provision in lieu of diminution in the fair value of the advance, are capped at 10%, 50%, 100%, 120%. So let's see what is the right answer, and the correct answer is third, that is 100%. Let's see next question, question number 10. The provisions made under the framework for revival and rehabilitation of micro, small, and medium enterprises shall be applicable to MSMEs having loan limits up to first 25 crore, 2 crore, 22 crore, 20 crore. And the right answer is 25 crore. So all these the revival and rehabilitation things are applicable if the loan limit is up to 25 crore. So let's see next question, question number 11. In order to enable faster resolution of stress in an MSME account, every bank shall form a committee for stressed micro, small, and medium enterprises. Which of the following are the options available with such a committee to revive stress MSMEs? First, rectification, restructuring, recovery, and the fourth is all of the above. So let's see what is the right answer. Correct answer is fourth. So that is all of the above. So these all, so friends, these rectification, restructuring, recovery, these all three measures can be taken by the committee for the revival of the MSME. Okay, so let's see next question, question number 12. During the period of operation of CAP, the stressed MSME is allowed to which type of credit for its business operation as envisaged under the terms of the cap. Okay, so our options are secured credit, unsecured credit. So our options are only one, only two, both one and two, neither one nor two. So let's see what is the correct answer. Right answer is third, that is both 1 and 2. So that MSME can be given the secure credit also and unsecured credit also. Okay, let's see next question, question number 13. The committee formed to revive the stress MSME units will undertake restructuring in respect of which of the following classification of asset: standard, SMA, substandard, all of the above. So let's see what will be the right answer. The correct answer will be fourth, that is all of the above. That revival can be in standard asset also and SMA and substandard also. Okay, let's see next question, question number 14. Which of the following are covered under willful default? Okay, first, deliberate non-payment of the dues despite adequate cash flow, misrepresentation or falsification of records, fraudulent transactions by the borrower, and the fourth is all of the above. So you have to tell which of the following will be covered in willful default, and the right answer for this question is fourth. These all three are a part of willful default. Let's see next question, question number 15. The penal measures are applicable to any willful defaulter with an outstanding balance of first 25,000 or more, 5 lakh or more, 25 crore or more, 25 lakh or more. So let's see what is the right answer. Correct answer is 25 lakh or more. So any person who is having 25 lakh or more outstanding balance in that account, NPA account, so and he is having the money also and he is not paying, so that will be considered as a willful defaulter. Okay, and the bank has to issue that list of the willful defaulter on their website. Let's see next question, question number 16. What measures are taken by banks and FIs against willful defaulter? First, no additional facility are guaranteed by banks or FIs to listed willful defaulter. Initiation of legal process including criminal proceedings. Third, defaulter should be debarred from institutional finance. Fourth, all of the above. So let's see what will be the right answer, and the correct answer is fourth, that is all of the above. Let's see next question, question number 17. So question number 17 is the provisioning in respect of existing loans or exposure of banks to companies having directors, okay, other than nominee, whose name appear more than once in the list of willful defaulter will be dash percent in case of standard accounts. So our options are 5%, 10%, 15%, 20%. So let's see what will be the right answer, and the correct answer is first, that is 5%. So 5% will be the provisioning in the existing loan. Let's see next question, question number 18. Which of the following best describe the suit for the account with no security? Our options are money suit, mortgage suit, criminal suit, family suit. And the correct answer is first, that is money suit. Let's see next question, question number 19. When the defendant is not present himself at the time of decree or has not filed the written statements within time fixed by court, then the decree passed in such situation is known as. So what it is called, that you have to tell. So first is money decree, preliminary decree, final decree, ex parte decree. And the correct answer is fourth, that is ex parte decree. Okay, so friends, this is set of 19 questions. So let's see what is our score, and our score is 100%, and passing score is 70%, that is 133 point. So if you are 70%, if you have got, that means you are pass. Okay, so let's review the questions. So this is the first question, that valuation should be done once in 3 year. So provisioning, general provisioning will be for substandard asset will be 15%. As per RBI norms, the provision on standard assets should not be considered for arriving at net NPAs. So friends, these are the important questions, and you can expect 1 to 3 questions out of these questions. Okay, so I hope so these questions are very beneficial for you. Compromise loan, so other things are also there, like balance outstanding in the account as on the date of NPA, provisioning held in the account, market value of the security. 3 points additional, that reason for failure, like factors beyond borrower control, like natural calamities or something else, present value status of the account, and amount that can be recoverable. So these all are the guiding factors for compromise scheme. Okay, next is that restructured account, and this is when restructuring can be done. So all these three cases which we have already discussed. Okay, the asset classified as standard asset should be immediately reclassified as substandard upon restructuring. Okay, so here the point was first, which was inaccurate. Standard asset should be immediately reclassified loss asset. No, we have to consider the standard asset as a substandard asset. Okay, here provisioning is 100% capped. So this is the 12th question. So what things are covered? So three things are there here, more things are there. This question is very important of willful defaulter. One or two question you can expect from willful default. Okay, so first is deliberate non-payment, siphoning of the funds, asset finance either not been purchased or been sold. This is also a part of willful default. Misrepresentation or falsification, disposal or removal of security without bank's knowledge. Okay, fraudulent transactions by the borrower. So these all are part of a willful default. And this penal measures, that is 25 lakh or more, if the outstanding is, that will be considered the willful default. So these are the main that review of the questions. So you can go through this, friends. And thank you, friends. Thanks for watching. I hope so this video is helpful for you. So thank you, friends. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.